Urakaza neza kuri Rwanda Driving TV. Muri iyi video turabagezaho ibibazo n'ibisubizo by'ikizami cy'akazi cyakozwe muri Nyabihu District. Mwibutsa ko niba uri mushya wabanza ugakora subscribe kugira tujye tubana mu biganiro byacu bya buri munsi. Let's start on question 1. Which of the following significantly increases the risk of young male driver having a serious crash? A. Not wearing your seat belt. B. Driving without your parents. C. Driving with a group of friends night. D. Drive an older vehicle. The correct answer is C. Driving with a group of friends night. Ese ni iki muri ibi bikurikira cyongera cyane ibyago byo gukora impanuka ku basore batangiye gutwara imodoka? A. Kutambara umukandara. B. Gutwara batari kumwe n'ababyeyi. C. Gutwara imodoka nijoro bari kumwe n'itsinda ry'inshuti. D. Gutwara imodoka ishaje. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari C. Gutwara imodoka nijoro bari kumwe n'itsinda ry'inshuti. Question 2. Every road user must park his vehicle according to the following. A. Where is enough visibility without any obstacle? B. Where is enough passage and visibility? C. Where is enough visibility and obstacle? D. Where there is enough passage. The correct answer is A. Where is enough visibility without any obstacle. Umuntu wese ukoresha umuhanda agomba guhagarika imodoka umwanya munini hakurikijwe ibi bikurikira. A. Ahari ubushobozi bwo kureba neza hatari imbogamizi. B. Ahari umwanya uhagije no kureba neza. C. Ahari ubushobozi bwo kureba neza hamwe n'imbogamizi. D. Ahari inzira ihagije. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari A. Ahari ubushobozi bwo kureba neza hatari imbogamizi. Question 3. What is the most common cause of driver being involved in rear-end collisions? A. Poor brakes and brake failure on the vehicle. B. Following too close to the other vehicle in front. C. Driver in front braking too hard and stop. D. Driver in front braking too hard. The correct answer is B. Following too close to the other vehicle in front. Ni iki gitera impanuka zo kugonga imodoka iri imbere kurusha ibindi? A. Kudakora neza kwa feri cyangwa gupfa kwa feri. B. Kwegera cyane imodoka ikuri imbere. C. Umushoferi ukuri imbere ahagarara acakira feri cyane. D. Umushoferi ukuri imbere acakira feri. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari B. Kwegera cyane imodoka ikuri imbere cyangwa kugendera hafi cyane y'imodoka zikuri imbere. Question 4. You are driving in busy traffic in 60 km per hour. You feel 60 km per hour is a bit too fast for the condition. What should you do? A. Slow down to a speed that suits the condition. B. Keep up with the other roads and slow down. C. To stop and slow down. D. Turn off the busy street and wait for the traffic to clear. Uri gutwara imodoka mu muhanda urimo ibinyabiziga byinshi ahagenewe umuvuduko wa 60 km mu isaha. Ukumva umuvuduko wa 60 km mu isaha ari mwinshi ugereranyije n'aho uri, wakora iki? Se wakora iki nk'umuyobozi? A. Kugabanya umuvuduko ugatwara ku muvuduko ujyanye n'uko umuhanda uteye. B. Gukurikira abandi. C. Guhagarara ukagenda gake. D. Guhindura umuhanda urimo ambutiyaje. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari A. Kugabanya umuvuduko ugatwara ku ku muvuduko ujyanye n'uko umuhanda uteye. Question 5. What should you do if a rear tire on your vehicle should deflate rapidly while traveling along the road? A. Brake firmly to slow the vehicle quickly. B. Ease off the accelerator, hold the steering wheel firmly and very lightly brake to a stop. C. Immediately replace it. D. Accelerate lightly to hold the vehicle. The correct answer is B. Ease off the accelerator, hold the steering wheel firmly and very lightly brake to a stop. Ni iki ugomba gukora igihe ipine ry'inyuma ry'imodoka yawe ripfumutse uri mu rugendo? A. Gukandagira feri cyane ugabanya umuvuduko vuba. B. Gukura ikirenge ku muriro ugafata vola neza hanyuma ugakoresha feri buhoro buhoro kugira ngo uhagarare. C. Guhita usimbuza ipine ako kanya. D. Guhita wongera umuvuduko kugira ngo imodoka ikomeze kugenda. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari B. Gukura ikirenge ku muriro ugafata vola neza hanyuma ugakoresha feri buhoro buhoro kugira ngo uhagarare. Question 6. The only effective way to deal with driver fatigue is to A. Drink plenty of strong black coffee. B. Listen to the radio and open the windows. C. Avoiding taking regular breaks. D. Prevent it by being well rested and taking regular breaks. The correct answer is D. Prevent it by being well rested and taking regular breaks. Uburyo bwonyine bwizewe bwo kurinda umunaniro ku bashoferi ni ugukurikira: A. Nywa ikawa nyinshi y'umukara ikaze. B. Umva radiyo ufungura ibirahuri. C. Irinde gufata ibiruhuko kenshi. D. Byirinde uruhuka bihagije kandi ufata akaruhuko kenshi. Ahangaha igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari D. Byirinde uruhuka bihagije kandi ufata akaruhuko kenshi. Question 7. When you apply the brakes, it takes at least 20 meters to bring your car to a stop on a road from 50 km per hour. If you double your speed to 100 km per hour, what minimum distance will it take to stop your car when you apply the brakes on the same road surface? A. 80 meter. B. 60 meter. C. 100 meter. D. 40 meter. The correct answer is A. 80 meter. Uri gutwarira ku muvuduko wa 50 km mu isaha kandi bifata metero 20 kugira ngo uhagarike imodoka ukoresheje feri. Niba wongeye umuvuduko ukagera ku 100 km mu isaha, bizatwara metero zingahe kugira ngo uhagarike imodoka yawe ku butaka bumwe? A. Metero 80. B. Metero 60. C. Metero 100. D. Metero 40. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari A. Metero 80. Question 8. Why will it be considered unsafe to overtake a heavy vehicle in the country while approaching crossroads where you can see that no vehicles are entering the road from the right? A. The heavy vehicle must move out of the left. B. Another vehicle which is hidden by the truck will enter the road from the left in front of the truck. C. It is against the law to overtake approaching a crossroad. D. The heavy vehicle must move out of the right. Here the correct answer is B. Another vehicle which is hidden by the truck will enter the road from the left in front of the truck. Question 9. Driving faster than the maximum speed limit is A. Limited for emergency vehicles only. B. Never legally permitted. C. Permitted only when passing another vehicle. D. Only permitted when other vehicles are going faster than the speed limit. Here the correct answer is B. Never legally permitted. Gutwara imodoka urengeje umuvuduko ntarengwa wemewe n'amategeko ni A. Byemewe gusa ku modoka z'akazi k'ubutabazi. B. Ntibyemewe n'amategeko na rimwe. C. Byemewe gusa igihe uri kudepasa indi modoka. D. Byemewe gusa igihe izindi modoka ziri kurenza uwo muvuduko ntarengwa. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari B. Ntibyemewe n'amategeko na rimwe. Question number 10. Double unbroken dividing lines are marked on a roadway. You may A. Cross them to make a U-turn. B. Cross them to avoid obstruction. C. Cross them to overtake a car ahead if it is safe to do so. D. Cross them to make a U-turn if it is safe to do so. Here the correct answer is B. Cross them to avoid obstruction. Imirongo ibiri idacagaguye yashushanyijwe mu muhanda ushobora A. Kuyambuka kugira ngo uhindukize imodoka. B. Kuyambuka kugira ngo wirinde igitambamye cyangwa inkomyi. C. Kuyambuka kugira ngo udepase indi modoka iri imbere niba ubona bifite umutekano. D. Kuyambuka kugira ngo uhindukize imodoka niba ubona bifite umutekano. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari B. Kuyambuka kugira ngo wirinde igitambamye cyangwa wirinde inkomyi. Question 11. The section of the public highway delineated by two broken and parallel white lines and not wide enough for automobile vehicle traffic constitutes A. Headlights. B. The wheelbarrow. C. Bicycle and mopeds. D. The passage of cycles. The correct answer is D. The passage of the cycles. Igice cy'umuhanda rusange cyerekanwe n'imirongo ibiri y'umweru icagaguye iri mu buryo bubangikanye kandi kitari kinini ku buryo imodoka zahanyura. Cyagenewe A. Amatara y'imbere. B. Ingorofani, akanyamitende. C. Amagare na mopeds. D. Inzira y'amagare. Igisubizo cy'ukuri ni D. Inzira y'amagare. Question 12. What is the most common cause for young provisional driver being involved in crashes with cross traffic at intersection? A. Inexperience at selecting safe gaps in moving traffic. B. Alcohol consumption. C. Sleeping while driving. D. Inattention. The correct answer is A. Inexperience at selecting safe gaps in moving traffic. Ni iki gituma abatwaye bafite uruhushya rw'agateganyo bagira impanuka bahuye n'imodoka zituruka impande zose ku masangano y'imihanda? A. Kubura ubunararibonye bwo guhitamo igihe gihagije cyo kwinjira mu muhanda urimo ibinyabiziga. B. Kunywa inzoga. C. Gusinzira igihe utwaye. D. Kutagira icyo witaho. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari A. Kubura ubunararibonye bwo guhitamo igihe gihagije cyo kwinjira mu muhanda urimo ibinyabiziga. Question 13. You wish to turn left ahead. Why should you take up the correct position in good time? A. To stop. B. To allow driver to pass you on the left. C. To help other road users know what you intend to do. D. To speed. Here the correct answer is C. To help other road users know what you intend to do. Ushaka guhindura ujya ibumoso imbere, kuki ugomba gufata umwanya uboneye hakiri kare? A. Kugira ngo uhagarare. B. Kugira ngo abandi bagendere ibumoso bwawe. C. Kugira ngo abandi bakoresha umuhanda bamenye icyo ugiye gukora. D. Kugira ngo wihute. Igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari C. Kugira ngo abandi bakoresha umuhanda bamenye icyo ugiye gukora. Question 14. You are approaching zebra crossing. Pedestrians are waiting to cross. What should you do? A. To speed. B. Use your headlight to indicate they can cross. B. C. Slow down and prepare to stop. D. Wave at them to cross the road. The correct answer is C. Slow down and prepare to stop. Uri kwegera ahagenewe abanyamaguru, zebra crossing, hanyuma hari abanyamaguru bategereje kwambuka. Ni iki ugomba gukora nk'umuyobozi? A. Kwihuta. B. Gukoresha amatara y'imodoka werekana ko bemerewe kwambuka. C. Kugabanya umuvuduko witegura guhagarara. D. Kubakwena cyangwa kubasagarira ngo bambuke umuhanda. Igisubizo cy'ukuri ni C. Kugabanya umuvuduko witegura guhagarara. Question 15. Daytime visibility is poor but not seriously reduced. Which lights must be switched on? A. Headlights. B. Headlights and fog lights. C. Front fog lights. D. Dipped headlights. The correct answer is D. Dipped headlights. What does a yellow broken lines drawn in the side of the roadway indicates? A. To stop. B. To speed. C. No parking along the way borders on this line. D. To overtake. The correct answer is C. No parking along the way borders on this line. Ese umurongo w'umuhondo ucagaguye ugaragara ku ruhande rw'umuhanda waba usobanuye iki? A. Guhagarara. B. Kwihuta. C. Nta parikingi yemewe ku nkengero z'uyu murongo. Ahangaha rero igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari C. Nta parikingi yemewe ku nkengero z'uyu murongo. Question 17. Signaling that direct vehicles are of how many categories? A. 4 luminous signal. B. 2 luminous signal. C. The luminous signal. D. No signal. Here the correct answer is A. 4 luminous signal. Ibimenyetso by'amatara bigenga imodoka mu muhanda bigizwe n'ibyiciro bingahe? A. Ibyiciro 4 by'amatara agaragara. B. Ibyiciro 2 by'amatara agaragara. C. Itara rigaragara rimwe. D. Nta kimenyetso. Ahangaha igisubizo cy'ukuri ni A. Ibyiciro 4 by'amatara agaragara. Question 18. When a barrow or its loading does not allow him sufficient from visibility, the driver must A. To stop. B. To speed. C. Pull his vehicle. D. Look for a conveyor to help him. Here the correct answer is D. Look for a conveyor to help him. Question 19. You are driving behind a trailer. What should you do if it signals right but you are heading to the left? A. Slow down and let the trailer turn. B. To overtake. C. Drive on, keeping to the right. D. To stop. Here the correct answer is A. Slow down and let the trailer turn. Ese uri gutwara inyuma y'ikamyo cya trailer hanyuma igacana ikinyoteri cy'iburyo ariko werekeza ibumoso? A. Kugabanya umuvuduko no kuyireka igahindukira. B. Kuyidepasa. C. Gukomeza ugendera iburyo. D. Guhagarara. Ahangaha igisubizo cy'ukuri ni A. Kugabanya umuvuduko no kuyireka igahindukira. Question 20. In order to get out of the particularly muddy and slippery areas, the bandages of vehicle can be provided with A. Non-skid chains. B. Driver. C. The luminous signal. D. Protrusion. The correct answer is non-skid chain. The correct is A. Mu gihe imodoka iri ahantu harimo isayo, urwondo cyangwa hanyerera cyane, ni iki gishobora gufasha ikinyabiziga gusohoka? A. Iminyururu irwanya kunyerera, non-skid chains. B. Umushoferi. C. Itara rigaragara, luminous signal. Ahangaha rero igisubizo cy'ukuri cyari A. Iminyururu irwanya kunyerera, non-skid chains. Question 21. Bicycle and motorcycles, when are not mounted, they are submitted to the A. General rules that govern priority. B. Pedestrian. C. Motorcycles. D. Car rules. Here the correct answer is A. General rules that governs priority. Question 22. What is the maximum load protrusion back of automobile vehicles? A. 5 meter. B. 3 meter. C. 2 meter. D. 4 meter. The correct answer is B. 3 meter. Question 23. The device which is used to slow down the vehicle in case of brake failure is called A. Parking brake. B. No brake. C. Service brake. D. Emergency braking. Here the correct answer is D. Emergency braking. Question 24. The large white lines drawn across the roadway must be width of A. 20 cm and 60 cm. B. 30 cm and 60 cm. C. 20 cm and 70 cm. D. 25 cm and 70 cm. Here the correct answer is D. 25 cm and 70 cm. Question 25. What is the maximum speed for vehicle outside the agglomeration? A. 60 km per hour. B. 70 km per hour. C. 80 km per hour. D. 40 km per hour. The correct answer is 80 km per hour.